Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic, managing thyroid issues. For some people, it's not just about relying on medications. They also seek the assistance of essential nutrients to support their thyroid health. So, in this video, we will discuss 5 nutrients that can help with your thyroid issue. Before we dive into these nutrients, let's quickly understand what hypothyroidism is. Hypothyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormone, which is vital for maintaining normal body functions. Symptoms of weight gain, hair loss, tiredness, dry skin, and constipation will appear. To combat these symptoms, let's explore the first nutrient that can aid in managing this condition. Number 1 on our list is iodine. It plays a crucial role in the production of thyroid hormones. The National Institutes of Health Office of Dietary Supplements recommends a minimum iodine intake of 150 micrograms per day for most adults. You can find iodine in various food sources, such as milk, cheese, poultry, eggs, kelp, and other seaweeds. It's important to note that supplementing with iodine should be done with caution. Excessive intake of iodine can actually lead to hypothyroidism. Number 2 on our list is selenium. This powerful mineral acts as an antioxidant and is essential for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland. It helps convert the inactive thyroid hormone T4 into its active form T3. To ensure you're getting enough selenium, incorporate foods like Brazil nuts, fish, eggs, and legumes into your diet. However, it's important to maintain a balanced intake, as excessive selenium can be harmful. Number 3 on our list is zinc. This essential mineral is involved in the production and regulation of thyroid hormones. It also plays a role in supporting a healthy immune system. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and spinach. However, it's important to note that excessive zinc intake can interfere with the absorption of other essential nutrients. So it's best to focus on maintaining a well-balanced diet rather than relying solely on supplements. Number 4 on our list is vitamin D. It is well known for its role in bone health, but it also plays a crucial role in thyroid function. Vitamin D receptors are present in thyroid cells, indicating its importance in maintaining thyroid hormone balance. To ensure you're getting enough vitamin D, consider incorporating foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products into your diet. Additionally, spending time outdoors and getting sunlight exposure can help your body produce vitamin D naturally. Morning sunlight from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. is ideal, and only 10–15 minutes of exposure to sun will help you absorb enough vitamin D. Number 5 on our list is omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have numerous benefits, including supporting a healthy thyroid. They help reduce inflammation and support the conversion of thyroid hormones from the inactive form to the active form. To incorporate omega-3 fatty acids into your diet, consider consuming foods like fatty fish, chia seeds, and walnuts. If you're considering omega-3 supplements, make sure to choose high-quality sources. And there you have it. These are 5 essential nutrients that can help support your thyroid health. If you're considering supplements, consult your healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for you. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.